kayo na po bahala sa iba't mga kaibigan. Ang third partner nito ay ating sa inyo ng Chooks to Go. Una mag-lock, tinapay lahat.
Ano pa naman yan eh? Lock naman yan eh. Paano makakuha ng tubig? Nag-uura sa akin. Hinin mo. Sa dulo.
Ramirez. Pass to Baluy. Pass to Agapito. Pass to Baluy. Baluy. Shalom sa'yo, gabi. Sabi ni Ken. Gabi, lima pa. Ramirez. Pass to Baluy. Baluy. Pass to Manonoy, taking three. Gabi, lima pa. Torres. 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 Pass to Madulan, taking three. Gabi, lima pa. Ramirez. Isir by Aileen. Isir by Lorenzo. Isir by Aileen. Pass to Madulan. Suboy sa Dulan. Pass to Ramirez. Pass to Manonoy. Oh, napita na Manonoy. Sabi, lima ba Lorenzo. Lorenzo, pass to Baluyo. Taking three. Out of bounds. Baluyo, ay Baluyo tuloy. Ramirez masuk Baluyo. 18-24 is shield by Catalino. Tumatula, pass to Haiti. Haiti, lima ba, Lorenzo. Lorenzo, pushing to Lorenzo. Tumalangay, pass to Agapito. Agapito. One for the late game. AJ Lorenzo. 8 minutes exactly. 47-40. The people of Lion of Judah. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal by Agapito. To Manonoy. Steal by Haiti. Haiti foul. Foul by this number 4, Ramirez. Second personal foul, first team foul of Lion of Judah. Second shooting 2, Haiti. First shot is no good. Second shot is good by Madula. Ay, Haiti. Pass to Baluyo. Baluyo. 15 seconds. Steal again by Haiti. Pass to Madula. Good ball. Madula. Reserve timeout. To Lorenzo. W5, Torres. Pass to Catalino. Lion of Judah. Ang time out na ito ay sa inyo na Mountain Dew. Do the nature by you. Natin sa inyo na Tumano. Kung saan ang suot ng mantaka. Shout out sa ating photographer for tonight, Mr. Destiny. Shout out sa'yo, bro. 7 minutes and 5. Haiti. Family without license, ang sabi ni Republic. Ribabay, ID, siya na sa pamilya ng Isabal. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo. 2 points by Jordan. Steal by ID, paso adulan. Standby for substitution. 2 point din na kalamangan ng Riley Judah. Pass to Agapito Town. Substitution, pasok po. Pasok, labas. First personal foul, first team foul of line of Judah. Lapit po, magsasampuan, lapit po. First shot is good. Official score in favor of line of Judah. Second shot is good, 2-2. Sabi ko lang. Standby for substitution. Torres. 15 seconds to shoot. It's game away. Substitution rep. Substitution. Serrano in. Agapito out. Ball stays with Bulatimos. Adulan. Pass to Torres. Torres was overruled by Torres. Pass to Catalino. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points remain. Catalino. 6 minutes exactly of the third quarter. Lagi, dito by Torres. Pass to Catalino. Catalino. 2 points remain. Catalino. Robbery violation. Deadlock, all 49. 5 minutes to 36. Pangawag sa Sapuan, lapit na po dito. Torres taking 3. Lagi, dito by Ray. Pass to Ramirez. Pass to Serrano. Serrano. Foul. Foul by jersey number 19. Torres. Second team foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Shooting 2. Serrano. First shot is good. Last shot is no good. Lima pa Torres to Catalino. Catalino. Foul. Blocking foul. By jersey number 16. AJ Lorenzo. Substitution. Fourth quarter. Torres taking 3. Number 19, Torres. Standby for substitution. Ramirez. 15 seconds to shoot. To Serrano. Short jumper. It's no good to Mabal. Baluyo. 2 points. Baluyo. Substitution rep. Jelson Mary in. Hiding out. Out of bounds, violation again. Lorenzo. Nagiri babal. Serrano. 2 points. Serrano. 54-52. 2-point lead by line of Judah. Mas kayo ni Nagiri babal. bounds. Ball goes to Lion of Judah. Ring, pass to Ramirez, 4 to 10. 15 seconds to shoot. Ramirez, 14 seconds to shoot. Crossover to 5. Here's still 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Baluyo. Lagi, limo ba ito? Foul, sa arbitrage left. Pasok po. Beliberti. Lorenzo out. Foul against number 1, Serrano. Third personal foul by Serrano. Pasok po, Ganjani. Hadulan out. Torres. Taking long three. Ball goes to Lion of Judah. Ramirez. Pass to Serrano. Jubon Serrano. 4-point lead by Lion of Judah. Crossover move by Masmayon to Terry. Pass to Gadyan. Taking three. Lima by Beliber. Beliber places two. Beliber taking three. Nugget. Crossover move by Gomez. To Basmayon. To Gadyan. Steal by Ray. Offensive foul by representative Ray. Third personal foul by Ray. 2 minutes and 43. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Catalino, steal by Serrano. Now it's a ring. Time out. Shout-out sa ating mga manonood. Kayo kami, napakarami nanonood kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Shout-out sa iyo, J.N. Tumanot. Shout-out din po wala sa Radisimal family. Shout-out po sa inyo. Lalo na kay Josh Radisimal, dahil kami. Si Josh, nakalike sa inyo naman yan. Thumbs up sa iyo, idol. Thumbs up. Back to the action. Torres taking three. Lima by Baluyo. Baluyo, 2 minutes to 10. Para basket down by Serrano. Babay na si number 8. Michael Ganjan. Shooting bonus free throw. Serrano. Lima by Serrano. Lagi, lima by Basmayon. Basmayon, pass to Torres. Torres. Block. Ramirez. Pass to Ray. Ray. 64-52. 12-point lead by Lion of Judah. Yage, pass to Catalino. Out of bounds. Sweet, Bulati moves. Basket down by Jermaine Catalino. Sa activation. Pasok po. Power jersey number 4. Ramirez. Third personal foul. 13 foul of Lion of Judah. Shooting bonus free throw. Jermaine Catalino. Converted, and one. 64-55 in favor of Lion of James. Beliver to Ramirez, to Beliver again, to Maluya, pass to Serrano, blocked by Kerwin Catalino. Maluya, 12 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot, Maluya. Kerwin, 3-5, Beliver. 1 minute exactly. Kerwin, 3-5 Serrano. Kerwin, 3-5 shot. Pass to Torres. Kerwin. 50 seconds left. To Maluya. Step back three. Kerwin, 3-5. Pasmayor pass to Catalino. Catalino foul. Foul by jersey number 8. Maluya. Sampo. Subdivision. Pasok po. Catalino in. Torres now. Warning for penalty. Line of Judah. Shooting 2. Jermaine Catalino. First shot is no good. Second shot. Makakukuha kaya. Ayun na mo doon. Lagi, di ba may Catalino? Wow! Penalty! Ref, penalty. Ref, sino foul? Number 8. Number 1, Serrano. Warning for graduate, Serrano. Warning for graduate. First shot, Catalino is good. Standby for subdivision. Standby. Pag na-shoot po. Last free throw. Makakukuha kaya. Is no good. 3-5. Maluya. Standby for subdivision po. Standby. Ramirez. To Beliver. 15 seconds to shoot. 28 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Beliver taking 3. No good. Di ba ba Catalino? 2. Shot lock off. Pass to Adulan. Pass to Gajad. Steal one. 10 seconds remaining. 7. Steal by Catalino. Steal by Ramirez. 2 seconds. 1. And on the third quarter, with a score of 64-56 in favor of Lion of Judah. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Mga boss, shoutout ulit sa Ryan Musiman Family. Pinakasabi ni Jayer, tumanong. Shoutout din sa iyo, Jabin. Kamusta daw, sabi ni, Shoutout sa iyo, last go ko, ang pinakapogi sa Swish. Shoutout na po, Felix Pasigolan, sabi na muli, Boss B. Aray mo! Pati daw si Pasigolan, lahat na. Kay Japeng, nasa likod namin, salamat sa iyo, Idol. Salamat sa support ng marami. Okay, next game po natin. Game 2. Metro Borders versus South Red Dragon. Back to the ball game for our final quarter. Dito na bang makalaman kung sino bang makakatagos o matatagos ulit? Ito kaya ay Lion of Judah o kaya ay Bulan News? Next ball possession, Bulatinus. Baluya. Pass to Ramirez to Baluya. 15 seconds here. Enriquez. To Enriquez. Jaime. Pass to Catalino. Pass to Neri. Pass to Pasmayor. Pasmayor. Wow. Wow by jersey number 8, jersey number 8, foul. Second personal foul, first team foul. Shooting 2, Pasmayor. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha na kaya. Is good by Patrick Pasmayor. Ray, no good, hindi ko may nilagay. Ray. Jaime, pass to Pasmayor. 15 seconds, Pasmayor. Foul! Foul by jersey number 15, Agapito. First personal foul, second team foul of Tyler Juda. Second team 2, Patrick Pasmayor. First shot is good. Second shot, makukuha kaya. Ready na sa game ko yung mga opponents natin for support sa Metro Ballers. Grabe ang supporta. 2 out of 2. May Patrick Pasmayor. To Ray. Pass to Enriquez. Enriquez. Pass to Catalino. Catalino. Number 71, running for Broadway. Shooting 2, Jaime James. Third team foul of line of Judah. First shot is good. Standby for subdivision. Pag na-shoot, second shot. Makukuha kaya. Subdivision. Lorenzo King. Rain now. 8 minutes and 32 seconds for the fourth one. Lorenzo, pass to Baluyo. Baluyo, one under shot is no good. Dito kay Catalino. Catalino, pass to Hadulan. Hadulan, pass to Neri, short jumper. Is no good, Imabay. Catalino. No good, Imabay, Agapito. Pass to Enriquez. Enriquez pass to assist by Ramirez to Lorenzo. Morgil, zero by Baluyo to Enriquez. Ramirez, violation. Sa Samper timeout, lapit na po ngayon sa Samper na timeout. Substitution, Torres in, Neri out. Torres, 11-point lead by Henry Torres. Lorenzo, pass to Enriquez, steal alive. Pasmayor, dito by Lorenzo, pass to Baluyo. Reserve timeout. Reserve timeout. Bulati moves. Reserve timeout. Bulati moves. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Agapito. Agapito. Lagi. Bumaba. Gary. Pass to Tones Digitri. Lagi. Bumaba Gary. Pass to Hadulan. Hadulan again. Hadulan. Timeout. Timeout. Koyen ang tanggal. Sa tanggal. Back to the ballgame. 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Official score 76-60. Line of Judah, warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul by Agapito. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 2 out of 2 by Patrick Pasmayo. 6 minutes exactly of the fourth quarter. To Baluyo. Baluyo. Double dribbling. Torres. Pass to Adulan. To Pasmayo. Take it free. Pasmayo. I-check po na buha na si Matic Pasmayo. Kaya ano sagot kaya na like it na? Steal by Pasmayo. Ball goes to Lion of Judah. Stand by for substitution. Stand by for substitution. Stand by. Time out na. Time out. Okay. So Torres, steal by Torres. Reserve timeout. Reserve timeout. W. Iba pa. Eri. Eri. Pass to Adulan. Take it free. No good. Iba pa. Lorenzo. Lorenzo. Pass to Enriquez. Passing. Timeout. Lion of Judah. Both teams, isang timeout na lang po kayo. Both teams, isang timeout na lang po kayo. Foul number 20. First team foul. First and personal. Second personal foul by Hadulan. Substitution sa drawer. Standby. Shooting first, Ron Enriquez. First one is two. Second shot I think it's out, rain in. Agapit na out, Serrano in. Official floor, 78-73. Shout out kay Gabay. Larry Simon. 15 seconds to shoot. Torres taking three. Nugget, 3-5. Nugget, 3-5. Serrano. Grabe yung rebound na yun. Serrano. Pass to Lorenzo. Lorenzo. Block by Torres. 13 seconds shot clock. Number 71. 81-73. Big paper up. Crossover to steal by Baluyo. Crossover by Baluyo again. Baluyo. Pass to Ray. Nayo, Rimaman. Catalino. Pass to Pasmayon. Steal by Enriquez. Enriquez. And Ramirez. 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 Pass to Lorenzo. Nugget. You are Lorenzo. To Lorenzo. To Neri. Neri. Side setting move. Wow. Penalty. Penalty. Side out. Volante moves. First personal foul. Second personal foul na. Second personal foul. 18 Lorenzo. Second personal foul. Penalty. Line of Judah. Penalty. Back to the ballgame.
Hindi mabubuti.
Back to the ballgame. Official score 83-73. Paper up. Line of Judah. First shot is two. Second shot. Makukuha ka na. It's no good. Di pa pa Neri again. Neri. Pass to Torres. Taking three. No good. Di pa pa. Baluyo. 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 Foul with jersey number 0. Jesse Neri. Third personal foul. Second team foul of Volante moves. Serrano. 15 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul by Baluyo. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. Torres. Neri.
Kanina, ano na eh. Warning na kanina eh.
Taga pala. Wow! Penalty! Serrano yung warning for graduate. Serrano. Wow by jersey number 16, AJ Lorenzo. Third personal foul. Penalty. Shooting to Patrick Pasmayon. First one is good. Second shot is good again. Serrano 2. Patrick Pasmayon. To Lorenzo. Lorenzo. To Ray. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Volante moves. 2 minutes and 56 seconds of the fourth quarter. Pasmayon. Neri. Pass to Catalino. The ball, Catalino. To Serrano. 2 minutes and 37 seconds of the fourth quarter. Serrano. Pass to Lorenzo. Lorenzo. The ball. Lorenzo. Sones. Sones, number 2. Sones. Pass to Catalino. Pass to Sones. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sones. Rebound by Ramirez. Reserve. Standby for substitution. 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 Patrick Pasmayor out. Hadulan in. Penalty. May foul po mga may foul. Wala. Out of bounds lang. Penalty na po. Line of shooter. Out of bounds. Two minutes and 6 seconds. Standby for substitution. Rebound by Ray. Steal by Catalino. Catalino pass to another Catalino. Foul. Substitution ref. Ingat po kayo dyan sa mga gilid-gilid. Pass Mayor in. Who's foul ref? Foul by jersey number 4, Ramirez. Second personal foul by Ramirez. Penalty at warning for Granway, Ramirez. Ramirez, warning for Granway na rin. Shooting 2, Catalino, Jermaine. First shot is good. Nakalimutan ko sabihin, last 2 minutes. Sa ating sa inyo yan na Angel's Burger. Masarap kahit walang sauce. Bang! Shot 2. Wow! Jermaine Catalino. Tulo red. 85-80. Bulate moves, wala na po kayong timeout. Bulate moves. Wala na po kayong timeout. Catalino. Reserve, substitution, standby. 12 seconds to shoot. Foul, substitution left. Foul, jersey number 71, Bradway. Pasok na po, substitution po. Catalino in, Hadulan, IJ. Maybe. Ayaw na naman po ng buzzer. Okay na po. Pasok. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Shot 2. Again, the Patrick Pasmayor. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 2 points. Serrano. Sones. Offensive foul by Sones. Number 19, offensive foul. Third personal foul by Sones. 1 minute and 17 seconds left. 89-82 in favor of Line of Judah. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal by Catalino. Catalino pass to Hadulan. Hadulan to Boy. Hadulan. 58 seconds left. Serrano. Out of bounds. So 49 seconds left, taking three. It's still by Catalino. Foul by jersey number 15. Timeout. Line of Judah. Kaya ay, red kasi number 15. Foul by jersey number 16. Warning for Bradway. Wait lang ha. AJ Lorenzo, ikaw daw pa. Ay! 16 daw, 16. 16. Oh, warning for graduate na, AJ Lorenzo. Warning for graduate na. Warning. Okay na po. Warning for graduate, AJ Lorenzo. Mga warning for graduate for Line of Judah, Lorenzo, Serrano, Ramirez. Sa Bulate Moves, wala ko po. First shot, steal. Second shot, makukuha kaya. Tutones. 15 seconds to shoot. Tutones, 23. Lorenzo, steal by. Foul by jersey number 7, Catalino. Second personal foul. Wala pa po penalty. 18 seconds left. Shot clock off. Left, tawag left. 1 meter na po, 1 meter. 18.5 seconds left, 18.5 seconds left. Seconds left. Foul by jersey number 20. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul by Jermaine Catalino. Warning for penalty.
Ilang seconds dito? 8 pa rin.
Huwag sa amin. 13 seconds left. Foul, penalty. Sila bumuhin dito. Stats lang dito. Third personal foul, penalty. Both teams, penalty. Shooting to Agapito. First shot is good. Wala na kang timeout. Wala na timeout. Wala na. Judah, mayroon ba mong isa? Judah, may isa pa po. First shot is good. 7 seconds left. 8 seconds. Foul by jersey number 30. Third personal foul penalty. Shooting Lorenzo. First shot is elbow. Second throw. Lagi di bawah Torres. Pasu Abdullah. Tinggi three. Abdullah. Foul. 20. Foul by jersey number 20. Abdullah. Shooting to Ramirez. The shot is not good. Pangkat. Isa na lang po tayo ng line of Juta. Yung ano po, wala na. Wala na tayo, wala na. Still